maybe like this. Okay, that's what it's saying. Alternatively, you can do it like this. All right, so as you can see, I'm not a huge fan of doing it the second way. I think it should be the cannot really see the what's it called, the view, the circles rather. But I mean, if the lecturer says you can do it that way, then obviously you should do it that way. It's an assignment, and you can actually try to confirm. So this is Wednesday. We're submitting tomorrow, so you can see, try to like confirm from other people if you're skeptical about that. So it's only the left view. Personally, I won't. I'm not sure I'll be doing it that way personally. But it's the lecturer's instruction. From what I heard, just try to confirm and pick anyone you want. Well, you can see we've gotten all of it. So let's just start drawing to proportion, please. I don't want to waste too much time now. So this is what you expected to get. So this is left, alternatively, left view. Or use your left view here. Please note, I have not drawn in first angle. What you say at the top is at the top. What you see in the front is still front. Left, left. So what I've drawn is actually in third angle. My sketch is in third angle. This is third angle sketch, please. My sketch is in third angle. I'm trying to put it on drawing board. So my sketch is in third angle. Now I want us to go to the full drawing. Please, hope you guys understand. If you don't understand, you can ask questions, okay? Now let's start drawing. So these are all the dimensions.